Hey gang, it's me, Mr. Joe, and today we're gonna have to learn the ball change. It's a pretty simple step, but you have to watch out for it. Let's give it a try. Okay, first of all, we're gonna do exactly what it says. We're gonna go to the ball of our foot and then change weight back. That's it. Ball of the foot, which is this part right here, of our foot, put all our weight on it, and change back onto the other foot. All the weight, change. All the weight on our ball of our foot, change. Ball, change. Ball, change. We can do it in all directions. That's ball change center. We can do ball change front, ball change side, ball change, ball change, ball change back, ball change, ball change. If we want to get fancy, we can go ball change cross in front. I'm turned towards you. Cross in front, ball change, ball change. Even cross behind, ball change, ball the foot and change. Back to center one more time. Ball change. Ball change, ball change, ball change, ball change. There it is. Well, there you go. Ball change. Remember, it does what it says. We're going to step on the ball of our foot with the heel up and change weight back to the other foot. Get out there and practice real hard.